In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change project resolution in CapCut. Before we start, a quick note on what resolution means. Resolution is the number of pixels in your video frame, and it directly affects sharpness, file size, and performance while you edit. Common choices are 720p for lighter, faster editing, 1080p for standard HD quality, and 4K for ultra-sharp visuals when your footage and device can handle it. Let's get into it. Begin by opening CapCut. When the editor loads, you'll see your workspace with the timeline at the bottom and the preview window up top. If you're creating something new or revisiting an existing project, the process is the same. Now add your video to the project. You can import your clip and place it on the timeline, so you can immediately see how the resolution change will affect your preview. This step helps you judge sharpness and playback smoothness in real time. If your footage was shot at a specific quality, like 1080p or 4K, keep that in mind as you choose the right project resolution so you're not unnecessarily upscaling or downscaling. Next, locate the Modify option in the editor interface. This opens a panel where you can adjust project-related settings. Think of Modify as your quick access to how CapCut handles your project under the hood. It's the place you go when you want to balance quality with smoother editing. Inside Modify, head to the Performance section. Performance settings help you control how demanding the project is on your device. If your timeline feels choppy or your machine is struggling, this is where you can make adjustments that immediately improve responsiveness without changing your creative decisions. Within Performance, find the resolution option and change it to the level you want. If you prefer smoother scrubbing and faster previews, choose a lower resolution like 720p. For most online videos, 1080p is a great balance of clarity and efficiency. If you're working with high-quality source footage and your device is capable, select 4K for maximum detail. After you switch, watch the preview window to confirm the change looks right and that playback feels comfortable. A few quick tips as you decide. Lower resolutions speed up editing and reduce stutter, which is great for complex timelines or older hardware. Higher resolutions look sharper but may slow things down, especially with multiple layers and effects. Also remember that increasing resolution won't add detail beyond what your original footage contains, so match it thoughtfully. And that's it. Open CapCut, add your video, go to Modify, open Performance, and adjust resolution. With the right setting, you'll get the clarity you need and the smooth performance you want.